Yo, what up guys, Arthur here. Today, I'm going to be doing a little cooking thing. Not really cooking, but it's just for a little snack for you guys. But so what you're going to need is a plate. How many slices of cucumber you want? Any? How many? I just got this much, because why not? So you're going to need any salt, but I am going to be using black salt. You can use any salt really, but I'm using black salt. You need black salt, pepper, garlic powder, and this, you guys are probably thinking, well, okay, it's going to taste weird. It's actually not. Whipped cream, because it's a dessert. What's a dessert without whipped cream? So, here we go. We're going to do this in any order, but the whipped cream last, so you put it on top of everything. I'm just going to start with the black pepper, or the pepper, I don't care what you call it, nobody cares. So we're just going to put a little bit on the cucumbers. So hard. Never. There we go. Oh yeah. So hard. I think I can do it. I'm doing it fine. Okay. Now you got your pepper on. I know. I'm so bad at this. Now you have your pepper on. I'm going to spray it around for me because I play a lot. Okay. Then I'm going to do the salt. Just grab any type of salt. I'm using a special type. It's black salt. There we go. There's a little bit over here. Okay, now that I have your black salt on, let me put my lid back on, hold on. Okay. You're going to want to put the garlic powder on, or, just a tiny bit though. Whatever order you want to go in. I really don't care. Okay, now that I have that on, it doesn't look that good, but it actually tastes really good once you try it. And then you put the whipped cream on, my favorite part. Boom, whipped cream on. Circle it in any way, just put it on, then. I'm just going to randomly put it on. Where's the, oh! There we go. This makes it taste way better. There you guys have it. Looks really good. So go ahead and try this. It's just a little snack. Now we're just gonna do a taste test on it. So I told you guys. Okay. Alright guys, sorry about that. This is part 2. My camera for some reason ended. So we're gonna do the taste test. Here we go. We're gonna grab this one. Here we go. Got my nose. so good. That's on the reach. Alright guys, so sorry about that. My camera keeps shutting off. I had to delete some video. So I just took a bite of it. Thank you. This is so, oh my god. This is so good. You guys have to try this. So it's just a little free epic snack. I'm just gonna enjoy these now that I made them.
I've actually been eating these the whole time.
Enjoy, like, subscribe.
I actually said
comment.
it was good right here, and then I said you
Definitely
should try
try
this,
this.
and
They're
then
really good.
I'm gonna eat these the whole time. I'm eating these while I'm editing
Bye.
right now. So yeah, I just said bye. Like, subscribe.